here at the Red, White, and Blue thrift store. It's Sunday. They open a little later, which is great because I love to sleep in. Brittany's not here. She's still away for work. So this is a solo mission today. So hopefully we can find some good stuff to flip online this week. Alright, where are we starting? It's toys. Toys is always a good place to start. Those are Thanksgiving. Kind of cool. Okay. It's a giant Sebastian. You know, let's see. Ooh. I mean, $2.99. Freaking new, especially in time for Halloween. Oh yeah, T-Rex. It's like fun. Toys R Us. $3. Toys R Us. It's like a rubber. $8. I mean, it's missing some acrylics, but you know what? That's funky enough. Oh, pretty to like that. Yeah, not for sure. Just want to interrupt the video real quick to show you some cool items that we flipped this week. And while I was editing this video, Brittany's back.
Hey.
She is back, and I am very happy.
Me too.
Yeah.
So one of the things that we flipped this week is the Disney plate, which sold for, I think, like $50, right? Anyway,
yeah.
We'll bring up the comp here, and we only paid about $5 for this at a church sale.
Yeah, and then our next cool flip was a set of vintage rollerblades that I actually found that somebody was throwing away at work. So, hey, that was a $0 invested, and we sold it. And it barely took any time to sell. Another interesting and weird flip, just so you kind of know, we sold Alka-Seltzer, which is crazy. Just like a box of Alka-Seltzer, you know, we made sure the expiration date and everything was shown. A very strange flip for us.
Pretty random.
But
not really a flip since we got it for free,
yeah.
But still something to know that actually sells.
Yeah, I mean, I'll take it. Our last interesting flip of the week is a cassette recorder. We found this while thrifting in Port Charlotte with my mother. You can watch that video there if you haven't already. We found some very cool stuff. But that sold today, and we got a good price for it. And if you've been enjoying our content and haven't already mashed that subscribe button, do so now. All right, so thank you. And okay, let's get back to the video. This is very nice.
And it's got this type. So I gotta put batteries. You know what?
Okay, Bradley. There it is. Look, I'll stop buying it. Sonic Control, Cut Patrol, Space Cross. $5, that might be worth it. Looks like that broke. So. I saw a pair of Hokas. What they're at? Yeah, they're I think 60. Yeah. Oh yeah, ¿cómo estás? Yeah, that's got a thing with me. Okay. I don't see anybody. Okay. That was a nice little bonus find there at the end. I looked around and, I mean, there's nobody. So, I'll take it. But, I mean, the pickings were slim today, but the things that I got, I'm pretty confident we won't have for too long, and they were really valuable. Especially the pumpkin decoration is very cool. I'll definitely hang that up. And lightsabers, and we sell, whenever we find a lightsaber, I pick it up, we sell it like that. And for $2, $3, I mean, that's just straight profit. But thanks for watching today. I appreciate all of you watchers for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel if you enjoy content like this. And if you liked it, please like our video. Okay, but thanks for tagging along, and let's see what we flip next week.